In this video, I want to show you how you can factorize a quadratic expression. First of all, remember what it means to expand and simplify a double bracket. So if you were given this double bracket to expand, you would multiply x by x, x by 4, 3 by the x, and 3 by the 4. That would be expanding the double bracket, and then you would simplify it to be x squared plus 7x plus 12. That's what is meant by expanding a double bracket. If you are given a quadratic expression such as this, and you're asked to factorize it, it means putting it back into the brackets. There is a technique for doing this, and it relies on seeing that the number on the end is a result of multiplying these two numbers. 3 times 4 is 12. And the number in the middle is a result of adding these two numbers. We can also see that the x squared comes from multiplying the x by the x. So when you're asked to factorize a quadratic like this, the first thing you can do is to realize that you are putting it into two brackets. The second thing you can realize is you must have an x multiplied by an x at the beginning, because that's why you're getting the x squared. Now the next thing you need to realize is you take this number on the end, 8, and that is a result of multiplying two numbers. So for example, we got a 12 on the end here, and that is a result of multiplying 3 by 4. Now the 8 can be obtained by multiplying 1 by 8 and 2 by 4. But be careful to also think about negative numbers, because we might have, for example, a negative 8 here. So I could also get a positive 8 by multiplying minus 1 by minus 8 and minus 2 by minus 4. The next thing to realise is that the number in the middle here, the 7, is a result of adding these two numbers. So we need to look at the number in the middle here, 6, and to say, well, which pair of numbers add to give me 6? It's obviously this pair of numbers here, the 2 and the 4. So we can now complete our factorisation. Let me give you another example. X squared minus 8x plus 12. You notice this has got a negative sign in it now. So first thing to realise, it's going to be two brackets. The second thing to realise, I must have an x at the beginning, because x times x gives me my x squared. My third step, 12. I need to find all the numbers that multiply to give me 12. So 1 multiplied by 12, 2 multiplied by 6, 3 multiplied by 4. Now I need one of these pairs of numbers to add to give me negative 8. Now thinking about this, none of these numbers are going to add to give me negative 8. If I add these, I get 13, I get 8, I get 7. None of them give me negative 8. That's when I've got to realise that I can get a positive 12 by multiplying negative numbers as well. So I could multiply negative 1 by negative 12, negative 2 by negative 6, and negative 3 by negative 4. They all still give me positive 12. So now can I check, does any pair give me negative 8? If I add these two, I get negative 13. If I add these two, I do get negative 8. Negative 2 add negative 6 is negative 8. So therefore, I can finish my factorisation as follows. By the way, because this means multiplying two brackets, a valid answer would be writing them the other way around as well.